Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, blemish. Spelling, blemish. Meaning, a small fault or flaw in something. Synonyms, defect, fault, weakness. Antonyms, purify, repair, perfect. Usage. The only blemish on his record was a minor infraction from years ago. The new policy aimed to remove any blemish from the company's reputation. Word, blight. Spelling, blight. Meaning, a disease or destructive agent that causes damage to plants, or a thing that causes harm or destruction. Synonyms, plague, scourge, affliction. Antonyms, blessing, boon, benefit. Usage. The blight affected the entire crop, causing significant financial loss. The economic downturn was a blight on the community, leading to widespread unemployment. Word, boisterous. Spelling, boisterous. Meaning noisy, rough, and unruly, turbulent. Synonyms, rowdy, loud, exuberant. Antonyms, quiet, calm, peaceful. Usage. The boisterous crowd at the concert made it hard to hear the music. The boisterous laughter of the children filled the playground. Word, bombastic. Spelling, bombastic. Meaning, using or characterized by high-sounding but unimportant or meaningless language, pompous. Synonyms, pompous, grandiloquent, inflated. Antonyms, modest, humble, concise. Usage. The politician's bombastic speech was criticized for lacking substance. The writer's bombastic style made the article difficult to understand. Word, boon. Spelling, boon. Meaning, a benefit or advantage, especially one that is considered a welcome surprise. Synonyms, benefit, advantage, blessing. Antonyms, curse, disadvantage, hardship. Usage. The new job was a boon to her career, offering her the opportunity to work with a prestigious company. The unexpected inheritance was a boon to the family, helping them to pay off their debts. Word, bourgeois. Spelling, bourgeois. Meaning, a member of the middle class, especially one who is considered to be materialistic and conventional. Synonyms, middle class, conventional, materialistic. Antonyms, proletarian, working class, radical. Usage. The bourgeois lifestyle was criticized for its emphasis on material wealth and social status. The artist rejected the bourgeois values of his upbringing, embracing a more bohemian lifestyle. Word, brazen. Spelling, brazen. Meaning, unrestrained by convention or propriety, bold and impudent. Synonyms, audacious, brassy, barefaced. Antonyms, modest, restrained, timid. Usage. The brazen thief walked into the store and stole a valuable item without hesitation. Her brazen attitude at the party shocked many of the more conservative guests. Word, brusque. Spelling, brusque. Meaning, rough and abrupt in manner or speech, curt. Synonyms, curt, rough, abrupt. Antonyms, polite, courteous, gentle. Usage. The brusque manner of the manager made it difficult for employees to approach him with questions. Her brusque response to the invitation made it clear she was not interested in attending. Word, buffet. Spelling, buffet. Meaning, a meal where food is laid out in public, and the diners serve themselves. Synonyms, banquet, feast, spread. Antonyms, formal dinner, sit-down meal, à la carte. Usage. The hotel offered a buffet breakfast with a wide variety of options. The family decided to have a buffet-style dinner for the holiday gathering. Word, burnish. Spelling, burnish. Meaning, to make smooth or shiny by rubbing, to polish. Synonyms, polish, shine, buff. Antonyms, dull, tarnish, roughen. Usage. The potter used a stone to burnish the pot before firing, giving it a smooth, shiny look. Her achievements burnished her reputation as a leading expert in her field. Word, buttress. Spelling, buttress. Meaning, a structure built against a wall to give it stability, any source of support. Synonyms, support, prop, reinforce. Antonyms, weaken, undermine, destabilize. Usage. The architect designed a buttress to support the old building's wall. Her friend served as a buttress during her difficult times. Word: cacophony. Spelling: cacophony. Meaning: a harsh, discordant, and chaotic mixture of sounds or voices. Synonyms: discord, din, clamor. Antonyms: harmony, melody, symphony. Usage: the cacophony of car horns and sirens made the city street unbearable. The experimental music piece was intentionally a cacophony to provoke thought. Word: cadence. Spelling: cadence. Meaning: the rhythmic flow of a sequence of sounds or words, the beat or measure of any rhythmic movement. Synonyms: rhythm, beat, tempo. Antonyms: chaos, disorder, irregularity. Usage: the poet's use of cadence added depth to her poetry. The drummer's cadence was so precise it hypnotized the audience. Word: cajole. Spelling: cajole. Meaning: to persuade someone to do something by flattery or gentle persuasion. Synonyms: coax, persuade, flatter. Antonyms: force, compel, intimidate. Usage: she tried to cajole her brother into sharing his toys. The salesman used his charm to cajole the customer into buying the expensive model. Word: calamity. Spelling: calamity. Meaning: an event that causes a great deal of damage, destruction, or personal distress. Synonyms: disaster, tragedy, ruin. Antonyms: success, prosperity, happiness. Usage: he described drugs as the greatest calamity of the age. We may be looking at the greatest natural calamity in human history. Word: calibrate. Spelling: calibrate. Meaning: to carefully measure and adjust the equipment or process so that it works correctly. Synonyms: adjust, regulate, fine-tune. Antonyms: misalign, miscalibrate. Usage: the instruments need to be calibrated before use. The team spent hours calibrating the machinery to ensure precision. Word: callous. Spelling: callous. Meaning: cruel, unkind, and without sympathy or feeling for other people. Synonyms: cruel, brutal, harsh. Antonyms: compassionate, humane, kind. Usage: it might sound callous, but I don't care if he's homeless. He had a callous disregard for the feelings of others. Word: calumny. Spelling: calumny. Meaning: a false and malicious statement made about someone in order to reduce other people's respect and admiration for them. Synonyms: slander, abuse, insult. Antonyms: praise, compliment, admiration. Usage: the speech was considered a calumny of the administration. She was the victim of a vicious calumny that damaged her reputation. Word: canvas. Spelling: canvas. Meaning: a piece of fabric used for painting, or to discuss or examine something thoroughly. Synonyms: fabric, material, painting surface. Antonyms: ignore, neglect. Usage: the artist stretched a new canvas over the frame. The team canvassed the neighborhood to gather opinions. Word: canny. Spelling: canny. Meaning: being astute, clever, and resourceful in one's judgments and actions. Synonyms: astute, clever, prudent. Antonyms: foolish, imprudent, careless. Usage: she made a canny investment that paid off well. His canny approach to negotiations earned him respect. Word: capricious. Spelling: capricious. Meaning: subject to, led by, or indicative of caprice or whim, erratic. Synonyms: variable, flighty, mercurial. Antonyms: steady, constant, consistent. Usage: he's such a capricious fellow that I never know how he'll react. The weather has been capricious all week, changing from sunny to rainy. Word: captivate. Spelling: captivate. Meaning: to hold the attention of by fascinating, enchant. Synonyms: fascinate, bewitch, charm. Antonyms: bore, disinterest, repel. Usage: her blue eyes and red hair captivated him. The magician's tricks captivated the audience. Word: caustic. Spelling: caustic. Meaning, that can burn, eat away, or destroy tissue by chemical action. Corrosive. Also, cutting or sarcastic in utterance, biting. Synonyms: corrosive, acidic, biting. Antonyms: mild, soothing, kind. Usage: the caustic soda burned her skin. His caustic remarks hurt her feelings. Word: cavort. Spelling: cavort. Meaning: to prance, frolic, gamble, or move about carelessly, playfully, or boisterously. Synonyms: prance, frolic, gamble. Antonyms: be still, be quiet, behave. Usage: the children cavorted in the park. The horses cavorted in the field, their manes flowing. Word: chastise. Spelling: chastise. Meaning: to criticize or scold someone severely, often as a form of punishment or disciplinary action. Synonyms: scold, reprimand, punish. Antonyms: praise, commend, reward. Usage: the coach would chastise the players for their poor performance during practice. The teacher chastised the student for not completing the homework. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.